Hello everyone, welcome to Beginner's Guide to Filecoin Chapter 14. This video will help you better understand the functions of how File tokens serves, Filecoin's token allocation, and ecosystem roadmap. Here we go. The Filecoin network launched in October 2020, introducing an incentive layer to the IPFS protocol and enabling open service for data. Today, the network primarily focuses on storage as an open service. The Filecoin master plan to execute this vision begins with accumulating a critical mass of hardware resources as storage capacity and compute power. This is important as the only way Web3 infrastructure will credibly submit, not just compete with the traditional cloud, is if it can operate at orders of magnitude and scale that exceed current offerings. While no Web3 protocol has achieved this yet, Filecoin has made the most meaningful progress. Furthermore, to drive long-term demand for network resources, includes capacity, retrieval, and compute power, it's critical to bootstrap the network with useful data and to develop software and tooling to enable compute and composable services on top of data. Ultimately, the demand for these services will be the basis for the robust economy on top of the Filecoin blockchain. Filecoin's tokenomics were designed with this long-term vision in mind and has helped incentivize the network's rapid growth and development. To date, the network contains greater than 16 ETH of committed storage capacity, with an explosion of ecosystem development driving demand for network resources. This growth and continued success are due to the efforts of the Filecoin community, an interconnected network of storage clients, developers, storage providers, ecosystem planners, and token holders. The global digital economy also requires a singular valid currency for transactions, since Filecoin is a permissionless market with cryptographically verifiable goods. Design constraints could only be satisfied with a native utility token. The File token serves a number of functions. First one, pay for messages on-chain. Second one, used as collateral creating economic incentives for reliable data storage over time and to secure the blockchain. Third one, burn to regulate shared resources. Unlike other storage networks, the Filecoin token is primarily concerned with incentivizing reliable services and facilitating the on-chain economic. The storage market exists off-chain but is anchored on-chain by messages containing cryptographic proofs of storage. Crucially, this means that the token can accrue value without creating undue pressure on users of the network's various services, while token holders can still benefit from File consumption due to increased utilization. Filecoin's crypto-economic constructions help ensure that value accrue for participants aligned with the long-term utility of protocol. As such, the initial allocation of Filecoin at network launch was designed to support a protocol that incentivizes sustainable value creation. As of current protocol specifications, a maximum of 2 billion File will ever be created. Of this, 70% was allocated for storage and related services, and 20% was allocated to Protocol Labs and the Filecoin Foundation to support network development, adoption, and ecosystem growth. The remainder was File allocated to Safe Investor, which began vesting in October 2020 over time periods ranging between 6 months and 3 years. 2 billion File is the maximum amount that could theoretically be maintained and vested. However, it may not be the amount of File that enters network's circulating supply. The 300 million File held as mining reserve would require a protocol upgrade to be tapped, meaning the community determines how much, if any, of these should be released. The growth of the network requires utilization and consumption of token, reducing the availability token supply. As of September 2022, and 520 million FIL has been maintained or vested. Of this, approximately 70% is in circulation, since significant amount of FIL are burned due to network transaction fee, or locked as collateral to secure the network and incentivize reliable storage. As the network matures, the rate of token emissions is expected to taper. Since Filecoin has fainted vesting schedules and a minting model in which emissions are indexed to network growth, token holders can benefit from understanding of the source and sinks that determine token supply over time, because it potentially informs their relative purchasing power. Minting, vesting, locking, and burning contribute to the net inflow or outflow of tokens from circulating supply. Currently, the network is expanding, tokens vesting for the network foundation and protocol labs to support ecosystem development and growth, while block rewards for storage providers subsidize the onboarding of deals and stored capacity. This presents a tremendous opportunity for token holders to participate in the growth of the ecosystem, since they can lend to SPs, facilitating SPs much-needed access to FIL and share in resulting network rewards. In this way, token holders can index themselves to token emission, while as also supporting network growth and advancing Filecoin's vision. We are at an incredible exciting point in the Filecoin ecosystem, with continued improvement in user programmability, data onboarding, data retrievability, scalability, and computation slated for information over the next 4 quarters. These initiatives should have positive effects on token holders through supporting client demand, unlocking various network use cases, and ultimately driving use case of the token. Some of these important improvements, as well as their potential economic implications, are discussed below. The Filecoin virtual machine unlocks boundless possibilities ranging from programmable storage primitives to cross-chain interoperability bridge to data handshake decentralized autonomous organizations and Layer 2 solutions. In short, this means smart contracts and user programmability are coming to Filecoin. Released in March 2023, this upgrade to the network possibility impacts token holders, since the interest fails user cases and impact the sinks components of the circulating supply equation. As long as there is action or utility on the network, File tokens will be burned to compensate for the computation and stored resources on-chain messages consume. Introducing smart contract abilities may increase demand for block space, resulting in increased burnt FIL. This rate of token consumption is in the hands of the community as network participants compete for on-chain resources. Furthermore, the FVM protocol upgrade may increase the amount of FIL put to use or locked. Currently, the majority of FIL locked on a network comes from storage provider collateral. FVM introduces the possibility of substantial funds locked to support various smart contract applications. Decentralized finance protocols are just a subset of applications that may leverage Filecoin's proof of useful work chain, not only increasing token burn but also generating new use cases for locking or staking FIL. The FVM is unique in that it brings expressively to the Filecoin network. While today you can contract a storage provider to store your data, with the FVM, you can add additional rules, automation, and composability with other services. As other components of the roadmap land, like retrieval markets, compute over data, etc., we expect the FVM to facilitate more sophisticated offerings leveraging Filecoin's base primitives, promoting broader network adoption. Filecoin Plus emerged as a pragmatic solution to incentivize productive use of the Filecoin network. Since it is difficult to algorithmically distinguish and useful data from generated randomness, FilePlus introduced a layer of social trust to the network. In the FilePlus program, clients that undergo a verification process are granted a novel resource, data cap, with which they can spend and make storage deals with SPs. SPs are incentivized to enter into storage deals with clients who spend data cap because FilePlus deals boosted the amount of block rewards they received as compared to regular deals, or through committing storage capacity to the network. In order to receive this boosted reward from FilePlus, storage providers put up more collateral, roughly 10 times of collateral for non-FilePlus storage sectors, and lock more tokens on the network. Year to date, we have seen robust growth in data from FilePlus clients, indicating interesting amount of useful data onboarded. From a tokenomics perspective, this trend persisting may increase tokens locked on network and decrease circulating token supply. More importantly, as the Filecoin network grows towards its mission of storing useful data, so to make consumption and utilization of token. Interplanetary Consensus is an upcoming network upgrade designed to increase the use cases that Filecoin can support while also improving the network's scalability, throughput, and finality. An exciting blockchain innovation that horizontally scaled the chain with subnets, IPC also has some potential crypto-economic implications and may increase the amount of file burned while also decreasing gas fees for users due to scalability improvements coupled with FVM utilization. And it may also increase amount of file locked or staked as collateral in order to secure bonnets. Of course, it has the possibility to increase the demand for file consumption with shared supporting customized on-chain use cases. In general, as a novel data storage and application network, Filecoin's mission is to create a decentralized, efficient, and robust foundation for humanity's information. Development in the Filecoin ecosystem to support this mission are numerous and ongoing and can positively impact Holden tokens. By design, the protocol's crypto economics intend to reward long-term participation and contribution to the network. Community participants can benefit from understanding the tokenomics and, in particular, the sources of token inflow and outflow that undergird the token economy. Looking forward, continuing improvement to protocol may present new and exciting use cases for the network and the token, potentially enabling further token holder management and positively driving the value proposition of this fast-growing ecosystem. Alright, please thumbs up if you find this video helpful. More videos that you might be interested in are coming soon, so please subscribe to channel of King Labs in case you miss out. See you in the next video. Bye!